He walked on the side of my counter and started saying, "You're gonna make me hurt you. Hurt you."
Okay, I was gonna leave you here. Initially, I was gonna leave you here. You cursed at me. I didn't like that. So I said, okay, I'm not gonna leave you here. If you're cursing at me, you can curse at anybody else in here. I'm gonna take you someplace else off site.
I am going to take you back. Everybody. No, I need to get home. I need to go back to New England and live where I live.
All right. Can I talk to this guy real quick? What's your name, man?
I haven't done nothing to you. I haven't done nothing to you. I'm literally just trying to board my plane and go to sleep because I'm about to fly almost 2,000.
You're not just because of choosing my you just told me to say did you not just tell me to get out of your face?
I don't give a damn about her. I have a whole get out.
Come over here and talk to my partner.
I don't even know her.
All right. What's your name, man?
No, stop.
What's your name? She's not going to want to talk to you, man.
Okay,
that's why we got called out.
Okay, yes, sir.
Take a step back. Take a step back. Take a step back from me. And what's your name, sir?
I'm Bryce Naismith. If I was going to corrupt
Bryce,
I don't give a damn about her.
Okay.
I really don't.
Okay, so
I just want to I don't even know her name from Sam and Sim. I don't care.
You don't have any weapons or anything like that on you, do you?
No, I don't.
Go ahead and turn around. Let me frisk you real quick. Make sure you don't have any weapons.
Make sure you have weapons. Cool.
I don't have anything. How are you going?
I'm doing great. Where are you flying?
Okay. I'm sorry?
Where are you flying to?
To Maine.
Walk over here. Let's talk over here.
Where?
Right here. Right here. Sit down.
Where do I put my bags?
We'll move your bag over here close to me. Let's talk over here. Here's the deal. What's your name? I don't know what to call you. What's your name?
My name is Bryce, but I go by Brooks.
Brooks? Okay. So Brooks, here's the deal. United? Well, we'll shake hands when everything's said and done.
No, I didn't know if you were trying to or not.
Oh, no. So United has denied you a flight today.
Yeah, I didn't.
Okay.
I don't care.
Well, here's the deal. You said you're flying to Maine. What part of Maine are you flying to?
I live in Old Town. I live in northern Maine.
Are y'all refunding his ticket?
He never paid for it.
Oh, he never paid? He never had a ticket.
He was getting ready. He started off with this young lady back here. He was upset with her because she kept telling me he didn't have a flight for today. So he gives her his phone. She pulls up the reservation. Reservation is for the 28th. So as she's telling him that, he's like, "No, you're gonna put me on the plane today." So she calls me to say, "I think I got a red light." So she comes over, and then when I walk over there, then he goes, "I'm not a red light. I'm not intoxicated. Why would you say that?"
Oh,
so
you knew what that was?
I'm like, "Yeah." I'm like, "How you know?" I'm like, "How you know what a red light is?"
Damn, we didn't even know what a red light was. We're like, what is a red light?
So that's what kind of was like, okay, so you know what you are then, right? That's what I thought to myself. So then I said, "Well, how do you know what a red light is?" And he's like, "I don't talk to her. She just needs to go away." I said, "No problem. Go here, over there, Ray. I got it." So I started talking to him, and then I asked him for was asking him for the reservation, and he kept saying, "I don't have it." I'm like, "So you just showed her something on your phone. That's how she knows what day it is." So he gives me the phone, and then I pull up the reservation. So I explained to him, like, "Your flight was 2 days ago," and he was like, "Oh, it's for my work."
Showed up to that flight and got denied?
It says no value, so that means he didn't show up. When we mark it no value, that means he didn't show up.
Okay.
So when I said to him, "Well, now you're going to have to buy a whole new ticket because you're 2 days late. It's not a flat tire rule anymore." And so then he was like, "Well, my company will have to pay for it. How much is it?" And I said, "I don't know." So I went online to pull it up, and then he started going at her again. She's such Okay, at this point, you disrespecting my employees. You can take your phone and you can buy it online. Have a great day. He walked on the side of my counter and started saying, "You're going to make me hurt you. Hurt you." So I'm like,
oh, hell no, I didn't deal with this crap.
So I said, "Sir, I'm going to call the police. I'm asking you to please walk away from my counter at this time. I'm refusing service to you. Please walk away."
Gotcha.
He continued to keep going, so I picked up the phone and I called. And then he continued with his little rant.
Gotcha.
And then he started coming around the counter again. And I said, "Sir, I asked you 3 times to stay on that side. I want you to know that I'm not scared, but I need you to stay on that side. And then he was looking, and the guy that was standing next to him was like, what is going on? Like, what's happening? And then you guys showed up after he showed up. He was kind of in his face a little bit too. So
Yeah, we saw that.
I just want to get out of here and we fine.
We'll deal with it.
Trash bags.
You know, making threats of physical violence towards other people is a crime, right? And you can go to jail for that.
I understand.
They're not wanting to press charges right now, but you've actually committed a crime that you could go to jail for.
No, what I'm
Yes.
saying is,
Yes, you need to listen.
No, like I understand. I'm listening to what you're saying, but the fact of I made, I left everybody alone. I don't know their names, but they had said it's not bothering anybody. I don't bother anybody.
All I can tell you is what they told me, and I have multiple people telling me the same thing. So right now we're trying to figure things out for you. But at this point, with you being in talk, listen.
I'm listening.
Just listen. You're not going to fly with any airline today the way you are right now. I can guarantee you that that's based on my experience. You're not. You've threatened people, and you've had too much to drink. My recommendation truly is to try to catch a flight tomorrow, have no drinks, come back sober tomorrow, and try it all again. And then you're going to get home. But I guarantee you, the way you've acted today, no airline's going to let you fly. That's just the reality.
What's your name?
Pat Nelson, right here.
So I can address you properly.
Okay, I appreciate that.
Your mom is coming to get you.
That's a
Okay?
good solution.
Your mom is coming to get you. She's on her way. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take you downstairs. Let you sit in the chair. She's gonna, when she picks you up, she's gonna find other flights and have you fly out. She told me about the tragedy about losing your dog. You guys are both. But the important thing right now is just to get you where you're not stumbling around or to get you where you can pass the TSA checkpoint, because they're more strenuous on checking people than the ticket counters here. Okay, so your mom agreed that's the best decision to make. Okay?
So what did y'all talk about?
Just talked about solutions for you. And the solution we came up with is her coming from Round Rock to come pick you up right now. And that's what she's going to do. Okay? So let's go downstairs. We'll bring your stuff downstairs.
I'll grab their back.
And once she picks you up, you guys will go back to her house. And look at me, I'm over here. Once she picks you up, once she picks you up, you guys are going to find other flights, okay? And we'll get you, she'll get you booked on another flight.
Over there, I thought it was.
We'll get you all of you.
I hate all of you.
You hate all of us?
No, I mean, I love all of y'all, but I hate all of you.
Well, sorry you feel that way, but we're just trying to help you out, man.
Except for you.
All right, well, I appreciate it. Let's make our way downstairs, and I'll grab your bag for you, and we'll get you taken care of, your mom here, all that good stuff. And you'll get on a flight a different day, just not today. And that might be for the best. It sounds like you've gone through a lot, right? This is his. Those are the unattended bags.
Oh, okay, gotcha.
So if you want to follow Officer Kidd, we'll head downstairs. I'll grab your bag for you, okay? Officer Kidd right there. Just follow him. We'll show you the way.
You ruined my life. What caused this?
I'm sorry?
What caused this?
Well, if you want to be completely honest, what caused this is you drinking.
Who said I was drinking?
No one had to tell us you were drinking. I can tell you were drinking. Let's go this way.
What do you mean by that?
I'm not going to debate your level of intoxication. If you want me to debate it with you, to debate it in the back of my police car. For now, I'm cutting you a break.
No, I just want to talk.
I'm not going to. You know that you're drunk. I don't have to explain to you. I'm sure they have. You're stumbling around. Your words are slurred. Can't see.
No, that's not what
And I'm not trying to talk down to you. I'm trying to help you, actually. Grab onto the railing so you don't fall and lose your balance.
What I'm asking is what led you to think.
Well, hey, here are your choices. Hear me out. Do you want to sit in the chair over here, or do you want to sit outside? Choices are yours.
Stop treating me like I'm a criminal.
If you talk to me like that again, I will take your ass to jail. Listen to what I'm telling you.
Take me to jail. I don't.
Okay, I don't care either. Put your hands out your pocket.
We gave you plenty of chances, dude. I literally was waiting
Okay,
for
well,
my
good.
law. I I know, but we were asking you to listen, okay?
Now, no. Now you're going to jail.
Making me upset.
Take a deep breath. I don't know.
It's literally making me upset. All I wanted to do was just stand here.
Listen to me. Listen to me. I didn't use foul language to you at all, did I?
No.
I spoke to your mother. I found a way for you to go home safe. I understand that you lost your dog. Okay, I sympathize with you on that. We're trying to cut you a break. The last thing I need from you is to use foul language towards me when I'm trying to help you out. Listen, look at me. Do you understand what I'm telling you right now?
Yes, sir.
Then why would you do that to me?
That's not personal at
I
all.
don't care if it's personal or not.
I just...
You're responsible for everything you say and do.
Yes, sir. And I understand. I'm just
taking some consequences for it.
I don't know how to feel. I was supposed to fly out to my house.
You're taking it out on everyone, including the people at the ticket counter. Like I said, you could have gone to jail for just what you said up there.
I understand, yes, sir.
You have an ID on you? What's your idea?
I don't know.
Okay.
If you put me in the jail, I'm going to be pretty mad.
Think I care about how mad you're going to get? I've been doing this job 21 years. Made a lot of people mad. Listen, here's what I'm going to do with you. I'm going to take you to a sobering center. It's not jail. You'll go to the sobering center. Your mom can pick you up from the sobering center. Okay?
Don't do that to my mom, please.
Okay, well, I can take you to jail and she can pick you up from jail. Which one do you want?
No.
You're not staying here anymore.
I don't need to stay here.
Okay. Did you ever see an ID with this?
No, he gave me a name. He told me Bryce Neesmith.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
No, you're not. Yeah, you're not this anymore.
You're coming with us. Listen, let me explain.
You're ruining my life.
Let me explain to you where I'm taking you.
You're ruining my life.
Let me explain to you where I'm taking you, okay? I'm taking you to what's called a sobering center. It's not jail.
I don't need that. I don't need that.
You don't get choices. I don't give you choices. I'm telling you what I'm going to do for you. I gave you a choice.
To depict my life.
Okay, jail we go. It's going to be jail.
If you don't get to depict my life, I'm the only one who pays my bills.
Good. You can pay your bills when you get out of jail. Let's go over here.
No, stop.
Don't add a resistance charge. Don't add a resistance charge.
Please don't.
What does he say?
Just walk to the front of the car. Walk to the front of the police car. That's it. Wait right here.
No,
I'm trying to be nothing but nice to you.
What exactly are you
I was
saying?
going to call your mother at the sobering center and give her the address and have her pick you up from there. That's what I was going to do for you.
Okay.
Can you just calm down?
Okay.
That's what I want you to do. It's not jail. Your mom's going to pick you up at a different location. She's going to drive you to her house. She's going to schedule you another flight. You come back and fly out.
No criminal charges.
No criminal charges. That's what I'm doing for you right now. Okay. Just relax. Okay. I got to take stuff out of your pockets because when I put people in the back of my car, I got to make sure they don't have any weapons on.
Where am I?
I'm taking you to the sobering center. It's not jail.
The what?
The sobering center.
Okay.
Okay? That's it. When we get there, I'll call your mom, tell her the address, she'll pick you up from there. Is that okay?
But you have to cooperate with them. If you act the way that you're acting with us, they will not take you there.
Yeah. You gotta just be like...
I'm just confused because
you've been drinking, man.
No, it's not that I've been drinking. It's just I'm confused of where am I going?
Okay, I was going to leave you here. Initially, I was going to leave you here. You cursed at me. I didn't like that. So I said, okay, I'm not going to leave you here. If you're cursing at me, you can curse at anybody else in here. I'm going to take you someplace else off site. Now, depending on how you act, when I'm transporting you to that place, if you start cursing at me again or acting bizarre in the backseat of my car, I'm going to take you to jail. And there, they're going to keep you for anywhere between 8 to 12 hours. Sobering center, they'll keep you till your mom comes to pick you up. That's it. All right? Okay.
We're just going to make sure that we're checking the handcuffs right now to make sure that they're fitted properly, okay?
You did lock them. All right, they're locked. They're not going to get any tighter on you, okay?
What do you think? I'm a fucking criminal? Like an animal?
No, that is what we do with everybody, man. So that's
Okay. I'm not.
Yeah. You're going to challenge?
Best way is to kind of face us and sit down. That's the easiest way. Okay? Just face me. Kind of turn towards me this way. The other way. This way. And then kind of just sit down and we'll make sure you don't fall or anything, okay?
Take these handcuffs off of me.
We can't.
swing your feet in, man.
You'll get them off when you get to the service center.
Is that his shaker?
I'm not a criminal.
Not sure.
Nobody's saying that.
That's why we want to take you to the sobering center. There's medical professionals taking care of you. That's it. It's not you.
Okay, then why do I need to be like this?
Because everybody goes in the back seat of a patrol car like that. Okay? That's our policies we have to do.
Why are you doing this to me?
Wow. Watch your back.
No, please. Loosen me.
No, they get loose to this side.
They're cutting into my
They're not
wrist.
cutting into your wrist.
Yes, the
No, I'm not loosening them. Let's go.
what? Stop.
Let's go.
You're gonna have shit in my. Give me my
No, you don't get your backpack. It gets turned into property.
property.
As property.
No, it's not.
You're used to making demands. You can't make demands anymore. You're not in charge.
No.
You're not.
Why am I being so treated like shit? Treated like property?
This is your property. It gets turned in.
No, it doesn't.
Okay.
I promise you, it doesn't.